For this Niger, every day na beto. We dey hustle, we dey yarn, we dey sweat oh. Inside shop, we go giz, we go vex oh. But we go still laugh, forget the stress oh. For this Niger, everybody get their own matter. For this Niger, we dey bet you hope say tomorrow better.
Ló wá máa fi di ọ̀la bàyá nù.
Goody rat.
What is it?
Carpenter.
What is it?
Una yesterday Angela Okorie go jail. They say she dey carry her go to the prison. You know Angela Okorie.
I know
Angela Okorie, the one where they always call Mercy Johnson, which every
na she.
Okay,
She dey Mercy Johnson carry her prison from Lagos to Abuja. You know, not supposed to say Mercy Johnson get mad. After that last issue where she get with her husband,
petition power.
petition power.
Na petition power.
They say she dey defame. Say the Angela Okorie she dey do defamation. She dey do cyber bullying. She dey do cyber stalking. She put everything together and join. She put her for jail.
But I thought they ended all these things now.
No be say they don't end. They don't even end there.
Since 2023, oh.
3 years, make you dey call if person dey call you all the time for 3 years, do this, do that. Wetin you
know for if you read.
I will tear my clothes now, my bad journey. I don't have time.
You be mad at Scarlett, but you know cyber bullying is not good. No, I don't know. The Bible already said, let us forgive ourselves. 70. But this gets
Pastor,
this gets to the top.
you forgive who? Your 500 naira. It's 500 naira. I know how this pastor drag me on.
Why you go drag you? When we say that 500 naira, no money now offering money for church. Come bring it, come borrow am.
You go carry put me for this girl. All these girls.
Shut up, Jare.
I don't talk am before. Say this pastor no dey follow the lifestyle way.
Well, as you talk, Jare, na so the Angela girl. Yeah, the people come they say, Mercy Johnson they use power. Mercy Johnson they honestly. Why be say you go they use mouth they defame somebody like all the time? Carry girl witch. We go wake up for money. Mercy Johnson witch. See go afternoon. Mercy Johnson witch. Night. Mercy Johnson witch.
You see, in my own opinion, what I feel is that both of them need deliverance. Let them go to my church.
So, Pastor, you believe a person like Mercy Johnson, as she be, she go come use her leg.
Call your church.
Yes, now.
Why should I come?
You for Mercy Johnson to seek mercy.
Seek mercy.
You don't understand. That is a movie. Mercy Johnson can shoot that movie. Mercy, we seek for mercy.
You don't even get.
You are not wise.
Because honestly, you dey say person need deliverance. As Mercy Johnson deliver Angela Okorie to jail, no be enough deliverance. They talking
from TikTok live to jail and be prison life.
I no even pity her.
But see, make I know that una no wise. Wetin pastor job just now, e no make sense.
What is that now? Why would you just say pastor like that?
I'm a man of God.
Pastor don't ever talk anything make sense.
You're a man of God, you're a man of yourself.
Oh, I bet that
one. Rookie. This Mosu abi Moyo babe and yes.
You know the gist of that rookie Motu and what's in there again?
David.
Oh. Anybody, if you meet any normally, all men
have come.
See, the men supposed start their life from prison. They prove yourself.
Pastor, this saying something I don't
What
are you saying now?
What are we saying? As a man, normally when they don't born you, they must first throw you for jail.
Wallahi.
You prove yourself. 25 years, if you can't do well, they come
Because
tell me why, as a man, you marry woman for Nigeria. When you never even reach 1 year, this woman don't boom picking for you. She raise money, 23 million. She raised 23 million for you. When you go Kuwait, when you go look for greener pastures, carry the Remy family. You can't land there, finish. 6 months. As the foolish man where you be. As the foolish man where you David. As the foolish man where all men be.
It's not okay.
David do not representative.
Yes.
He do.
David.
Do you know say David never reach 6 months where David spend it. David don't marry.
Virtual marriage.
Yes.
In the same time.
Yes. What's this one they talk
See,
time?
Pastor, I know what is wrong.
What is wrong?
See, him moving from Nigeria to that place is a very intelligent man.
And so?
He used what he have to get what he wants.
You know they you know that goes
to that, they should know that men are actually polygamous in nature.
That is who we are.
Just talk say, see,
Pastor,
you go just talk say, no, leave pastor first. You go just talk say you be dog. Because you go tell me that matter go close. You go just tell me say, because tell me how you go talk say men are polygamous in nature. When they born you as you be picking like this, they like polygamy for your age. What is that?
Pastor,
Let me answer. I be when you dey suck breast. How many woman breast you suck? Your mama breast.
No, but in the Bible, Abraham, Isaac, Solomon, how many wives did they have?
How many wives they have? Abraham marry how many wives?
At least someone is richer than grandpa.
Pastor, you know.
No, now.
Justify the nonsense wey he wan do. You dey talk God himself, no be one man to a woman.
He said, therefore shall a man leave his father and cling unto his woman.
There are times 2 of us on this earth.
You don't say according to the
latest. You are helping them.
You see, say you don't even know anything. You are not dey current with the new
population
they don't say as of 2025. This one na 2026 now. As of 2025, they don't say they get more men than women. So by that your logic, it means say me and Kudirat like this. You know go bad if you get like 2 husbands. Wallahi. Yes now.
Your body will tell you. That one body will tell you. Body will tell you. I will enjoy that too.
Okay.
Calm down. See, you know wetin dey pay me pass in that matter. You know wetin dey pay me pass in that matter. Now the fact that that one wey do legal wedding, the woman wey use 20 million sponsor am, no be the first wife.
Yes na. Make I even burst una brain again. Una know say the first wife don get 3 pikin.
Star boy ni. That guy is a star boy.
Star boy wey dey wash everything. But the basic thing be say
that guy must be very handsome, and I'm sure he's very strong down below.
Now he's 21.
Why are ladies 40 around like that?
21 and strong. 21 and healthy. 21 and strong.
See, but una get double standard too. If na woman do this kind of thing, I go go digger. You reach na tell una say she's
that's the reason why you do some nonsense challenge on TikTok. If you know that FYP brought something to me.
Pastor, are you there?
Wait. What did the FYP bring to you?
It was my boy's song now.
It's your boy's song.
Auntie Shakira, that's Shakira.
Pastor, you don't know anything.
This secular song, God will punish you.
The man of God. He's a man of God now. He go through his phone.
He's a man of himself. He's not a man of God.
Pastor, wait, Pastor, wait till you see for that.
Nothing.
Pastor, he show me say if I check your search history, then it's first I go see.
He talk say nothing, but Pastor,
Check out.
You don't need that.
I saw everything.
You saw.
Top 1, top 2, top 3. Kí ló kọ́ mọ́ yẹn again, no, Pastor?
I don't know.
Pastor, you paro.
That girl wey Busa wey she pull leg for.
Leave bash. See, àwọn amúlùdù nìyẹn. Gen Z. If it's not for them.
If your sister or your cousin dey inside that train, you go dey happy.
But you say when the train even first start sef, the train no
really bad.
Just fine gear, just one shoulder, you know. You know the
Backside.
But na those gears we start to use up to the advertisement.
They are the one that is making this life interesting. If it's not for those children, nothing that do. Mother would have killed us. Where are we going to?
See, I want to talk something now.
You don't have anything to shake. That's why you are inside here. If you have anything to shake, go and do your own.
Make me no lie. You know wetin me I see for that challenge? I see say we women, we go dey talk say men dey sexualize us. But we go dey do some kind things wey we say.
Thank you for saying the truth.
Shut up! Which truth?
Yes.
Yes.
So shall we tell the truth? So now you want to twist it again.
It's not be any guy. Let me say, you not see one boy like this. Where you do, they say Shakira no be gay name. Man like una too. On the show.
Yeah. I advertising it now. I'm not saying.
I don't
He's advertising it. He's want.
Yeah.
The
girl that showed
so you wasting his talent. That is a talent now. You want him to waste his talent.
I hate this biased mindset of man and gender. It always vex me like mad.
They go say woman don't get many experience.
She be no show.
Man get many experience.
He be champion.
You see, I'll clarify something to you.
I'm insult.
Yes!
Why do you say that nonsense? What is the meaning of that?
So just calm down. I want to clarify something to her.
What are you
See,
saying?
immediately a man was born into this head. He used scissors to cut your thing. That's why you know you have problem. So we facing all these things. They're normal things now. That's
See, sometimes I feel like
I'm with you.
something you don't get brain. Now I'm worried about them.
I know that's how it happen now. You see when
So you
you
call our men Pastor, this is becoming insulting. I don't like this kind of talk. Why we want to insult us? What is the meaning of that? Pastor,
Get out, shop.
what kind of is that?
Get out.
You see,
you know go collect your money.
Pastor, when the next time when they leave, you know they are calling you waiting. They preach nonsense. Look at the way it be. I will deck you. Nonsense. And go serious, make me know like that challenge is challenge.
You see, yeah.
My sister. My sister.
No, it's in the jeep.
Hey, he the rubble. Me, I know.
Hey, betting shop now parliament. Now there you go, yeah, government gist. We go laugh, we go shout, we go argue tire. But Niger go still they inspire. Hey. For this Niger. Hey. We go still the bed for better wahala.